How to name bicyclic compounds. As the name suggests, bicyclic compounds contain two rings. There are four possible arrangements of two rings depending upon the number of shared atoms between the two rings. Number 1. Two rings with no common atoms. These compounds follow the standard rule of choosing one parent ring system and then describing the other ring as a substituent. For example, in this compound, ketone being the highest priority functional group gets preference over phenyl, which becomes the substituent. Thus, the IUPAC name of this compound is 3-phenyl cyclohexane on. Number 2. Two rings with one common atom. If two rings share one carbon, the compound is called spirocyclic or simply spiro. Number 3. Two rings with two common atoms. Two rings that share two common atoms are called fused ring system. Each of the two common atoms is called bridgehead atom, and there are three paths between the two bridgehead atoms. Number 4. Two rings with more than two common atoms. Two rings that share more than two common atoms are called bridged ring system. Now, with the knowledge of the different type of bicyclic compounds, let's learn the methodology of naming them. 1. Bicyclic compounds are named by using the alkane name to designate the total number of carbons and the prefix bicyclo or spiro to indicate the number of shared carbons. 2. Prefix spiro indicates one shared carbon and bicyclo indicates two or more shared carbons. For example, the following compound contains a total of 7 carbon atoms, out of which 3 carbon atoms are shared. Therefore, this compound is named as bicycloheptane. The carbon atoms common to both rings are called bridgeheads, and each carbon chain connecting the bridgeheads is called bridge. 3. After the prefix spiro or bicyclo comes a bracket that contains a number indicating the number of carbons in each bridge. These are listed in order of decreasing bridge length. For example, in this compound, we have a total of 10 carbons in both the rings, which gives us decane. 2 carbon atoms are common, therefore we get the prefix bicyclo, and 2 4-carbon bridges and 1 0-carbon bridge gives us the number inside the bracket, which is 440. Therefore, the IUPAC name of this compound is bicyclo 440 decane. 4. Numbering in bicyclic compounds starts at one bridgehead carbon and moves along the longest bridge to the next bridgehead carbon. Then continue along the longest carbon bridge to return to the first bridgehead carbon so that the shortest bridge is numbered last. For example, this bicyclic compound has a total of 8 carbon atoms, thus giving us the suffix octane. We have 3 common carbon atoms, which gives us the prefix bicyclo, and moving along the longest bridge from 1 to 5, we have 3 carbon atoms, namely number 2, 3 and 4. Then from 5 back to 1, we have 2 carbon atoms, 6 and 7. Finally, we move along the shortest bridge between 1 and 5, which passes through carbon number 8. Thus, the name of this compound is bicyclo 321 octane.
Please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more interesting and educational videos to earn while you learn, download Extra Class app from Google Play Store and get rewarded for studying.